Greetings, my name is Artie Nanchia. I'm a full-time ELA teacher at Sandy Springs Middle School. This is my first year in middle school, and prior to this role, I was an elementary school teacher for 15 years. I reside in Fulton County, and I am currently pursuing my specialist degree in instructional technology. I plan to graduate in spring 2022. Developing global learning skills for 21st century learners and teachers is very important. On the teacher side of it, it is very important to understand international educational standards and different approaches to promote learning. On the learner side of it, it is very important to understand different perspectives and cultures to successfully collaborate. 3 ways of using technology to facilitate collaborative learning include increasing communication through e-tools such as Padlet, promoting face-to-face interaction through Flipgrid, and utilizing Zoom to build cooperative learning groups. A few bad experiences I have experienced in using technology in my county includes poor network connections. Specific platforms are not permitted to be used by teachers in certain counties, and colleagues not willing to embrace technology. It is amazing to see how technology can support teaching and learning. Technology can support teaching in all contexts because it can reach students regardless of the location, such as if they are quarantined or sick. There are a plethora of tools that monitor student growth and track student growth and can also support in differentiation, and online tools that offer additional support. My reasons for pursuing an online degree is because I value the flexibility and the cerebral activity that I gain. I enjoy collaborating with professionals outside of my county, and I have a deeper and better understanding on the framework of online classes. The positive characteristics of being an online learner is that I am very organized, structured, and hardworking, which are all huge assets if you are taking an online course. A few potential challenges in completing this online course are time management, being my own harshest critic, and managing my stress and anxiety with school, life, and work balance. After completing my degree, I would like to support teachers as a technology or curriculum coach. I am proud to be part of the teacher community and would love to share my knowledge with others in my field. The end. Thank you so much for watching.